Executor key, free and easy, 2026. Hook 20. Every time you open Delta Executor, you have to go through the key system, watching ads, completing tasks, waiting around just to get a key that expires in 24 hours. There's a way to skip all of that for free. I'll show you the fastest working method right now, step by step, on any device. Part 1, how the key system works, 2150. Quick explanation of why the key system exists so you understand what you're bypassing. When you open Delta and tap Receive Key, it generates a unique link and copies it to your clipboard. That link goes through an ad gateway, usually linkvertise, lootlabs, or lootlink, where you're supposed to watch ads or complete tasks before getting your actual key. The key you get is valid for 24 hours, then the whole process repeats. The bypass works by taking that same link and running it through a tool that skips the ad gateway entirely and jumps straight to the key. No ads, no tasks, no waiting. The key you get is identical. It's the real Delta key, just without the ad steps in between. Part 2, the bypass method, 115 through 30. Here's the exact method. I'm using keybypass.net. It's free, no pop-up ads, works on Android, iOS, and PC, and supports all the ad link types Delta uses, including linkvertise, lootlabs, and lootlink. Step 1, open Delta Executor on your device and launch any Roblox game. Step 2, once the game loads, tap the Receive Key button inside Delta. This copies the key link to your clipboard automatically. You'll see a notification or confirmation that it was copied. Step 3, open your browser and paste the link. You'll land on the Delta Key System page. Don't complete any tasks here. Instead, copy the full URL from your browser's address bar. Step 4, open a new tab and go to keybypass.net. Step 5, paste the URL you just copied into the text box on the site. It should say something like, paste your link here. Step 6, complete the simple I am human CAPTCHA checkbox. This is just to prevent bots and only takes a second. Step 7, tap the bypass or get link button. The tool processes it in a few seconds. Step 8, when it finishes, you'll see a direct link button or your key will appear directly. Copy the key. Step 9, go back to Delta Executor, paste the key into the key input field, and tap Continue. Done. You're in with full access. Part 3, if keybypass doesn't work, 30. If keybypass.net isn't working for your specific link type, Delta occasionally switches between linkvertise, lootlabs, and lootlink, and not every bypasser supports every type. Here are 2 backup options. First backup, bypass.tools/Delta. Same process, paste the link, complete the CAPTCHA, get the direct key. This one specifically supports all 3 link types Delta uses. Second backup, go to alexecutor.com and look for the Bypass Delta Key option in the menu. They have a dedicated Delta Key bypass tool that's updated regularly. If all 3 fail for you, the link type may have recently changed. Check the Delta Dynamics Discord for the latest working bypass method. The community there posts updates whenever Delta changes its key system. Part 4, permanent solution, Delta Premium, 430 to 510. If you're doing this every day and getting tired of even the bypass process, Delta has a premium subscription that removes the key system entirely. You pay once and never deal with it again. It's not free, but if you're a daily user, the math makes sense. I'm not sponsored by Delta, just mentioning it because the bypass method requires repeating every 24 hours, and some people would rather just pay once and be done with it. The premium option is available under the key section on the official Delta website. RO5550. To recap, tap Receive Key in Delta, copy the link from your browser address bar, paste it into keybypass.net, complete the CAPTCHA, get your direct key, paste it back into Delta. That's the full bypass in under 60 seconds once you've done it once. Drop a comment if you got stuck at any step. I'll reply. Next video in this series is the Delta Keyless Script Method, a completely different approach that skips the key system even faster. Link on screen.